Hello there YouTube, and this is my 2015 F15 BMW X5. And do you also experience no start, no crank episodes in your BMW X5? I just would like to show you how I set it up for for me to deal with those trouble with my no crank no start thing with my battery, or what, or some parasitic drain, or some module problems or what. Anyway, I would like to start off with what I use right now is the Ctek comfort indicator eyelet version, which I set it up over from the battery terminals in the front. Of course, there's the positive point in there and the negative bolt in there. Of course, it has an indicator of whether the battery is still good, ready to charge, needs charging, and of course it's dead right on the top in there. So right now it's blinking green, so it still says that it's still good, no need for charging. The middle one is the yellow amber light. When it lights up, it's gonna tell you that it needs charging. And of course the red one is your battery is really dead or what. So that is very useful for you to have, to know your state of charge for your battery before you have that no start no crank thing or what. All right, so with that one, I also have my Ctek trickle charger, always handy in there. Of course, I just connect this one over to that part for it to charge, right? And of course, you already know how the Ctek trickle battery works or what, so it's good to have this ones also. And also I have my Noco jump starter, so just in case you suddenly just ran out of battery or what, doesn't start or what, you have your Noco. I have my Noco Boost Plus GB40, always handy. It's been like what, 2 weeks since I last charged it, and it's still charged right now, so it's a good plus for you to have. It also has a LED light for you to use, and also there's 2 charge ports in here where you can charge your battery, your cell phone, and everything. Yeah, USB-C in there. This is the USB-C in wherein you charge the Noco battery boost plus. All right, so that is my setup for me to, like, get rid, or at least temporarily take care of the no start no crank starts with your BMW X5. I have in here the 2015 BMW X5. All right, let me know if you have any comments or suggestions, and of course follow me if you like this video. Thank you.